Hello everyone, greetings for the day. I welcome you all on behalf of Navkar Institute and Navkar Digital Institute. Here I am Nauka Shah and I am one of the faculty member of Navkar. So friends, successful professional का मानना है कि लाइफ में 3 चीजें बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. The first one, choose your career wisely. The second one, strive very hard towards achieving it. And the third one, success will be yours. But here, the most important rule is never forget the step 1. That is, choose your career wisely. In normal sense, हमें हमारा मौका मिलता है करियर चूज करने का after 12th. But as per new notification provided by ACCA, आप अपना strong and successful professional career choose कर सकते हो after 10th only. So enroll after 10th, start preparation because proper preparation is required. Appear after 12th and crack your CA foundation. As per new notification and new scheme, your CA course will be reduced by 6 months. So, अभी जो 12th के student है, as per new scheme, आप वो appear हो सकते हैं May 21 में. So I must say ये पहले के CPT स्कीम जैसा है और कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया में लेने वाले बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन लाइक ग्लैट, जहाँ पे आप अपने 12th के एग्जामिनेशन के बाद तुरंत से अपियर हो सकते हो. सो गाइस, डोंट वरी अबाउट CA फाउंडेशन. CA फाउंडेशन में काफ़ी सारे सब्जेक्ट आपके 11th और 12th के सब्जेक्ट के सिमिलर होते हैं. सो वी विल डू इट. जो स्टूडेंट अभी 11th ग्रेड में है, इनफैक्ट वो भी अपना एनरोलमेंट करवा सकते हैं फॉर May 22 स्कीम. So, I just want to say that time is always right to do what is right. Don't waste, rather invest. Grab the opportunity. After choosing a professional path for your better future, you need a strong support. And Navkar Digital Institute is always there for providing best services to you. Navkar Institute is having a legacy of 23 years. On the platform of Navkar Digital Institute, we are providing best video lectures in Hindi and English combined and only English also. We having almost 2 lakh plus CA students who are studying from this platform with 0 negative feedback. So I must say, you named any particular city of the country and many cities from the abroad, you will find Navkar student. We having almost 70 plus faculty members who are providing best education to our students. We not only provide unlimited views of videos, but we also provide many solutions like best material, regular examination, mentorship support, planning and scheduling support, doubt solving, and also day-to-day regular updates. We are the only who provides online MCQ test and descriptive test with on-screen evaluation in our app. So we are the one who is providing all the professional courses at one platform. Professional courses like CA, CS, US CPA, US CMA, UK ACCA. Our application is available on Android and iOS also. We also providing pen drive and also physical material. At last, I just want to say that for achieving your goal, for achieving your dream, Navkar Institute and Navkar Digital Institute will be always there for you. All the best for your future. Thank you very much. Stay connected with Navkar Digital Institute. Take care.